Yeah, that's what she asked for, but it's cute. I like it. What it do, y'all? It is early in the morning, and I'm about to give y'all Mel's little maintenance vlog. I'm gonna spoil her a little bit today, but we're gonna put her in the tub first, and then I'm going to clip her nails and do her nails. And then we're gonna wash and do her hair, and clean her ears, all of that type of stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna do our little feet too. But y'all already know what it is. Before we get into this vlog, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell to know every time I post. And make sure I follow on Instagram and TikTok at Jasmine You Laugh.
Bye, y'all.
Alright, so let's get into it, y'all.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
Alright, y'all, so all I do is just I usually put Vaseline on her, sometimes lotion, but now I'm going to do her little nails, and then I'm gonna do her hair, and we'll wash it and then do it, and then I'll be done. But yeah, these nails take forever to dry, but I always clip my
feet.
Yes, and your feet, don't forget your feet. And I always clip her nails and clean them, and then file them before I do them. So we're gonna do that real quick. Your nails, Melly. No. Let me see your nails. Stop. Let me see. Oh, they're pretty, mama. Wait. Wait. They're pretty too. Let's see your little toes.
Why?
Ooh, they're cute. They cute, girl. Alright, y'all, so we are now in the kitchen. And we're about to get this hair together. I'm about to wash her hair. I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use real quick.
Boil.
Alright, so yeah, this is the product. These are the products that I use on my hair and hers. This is the Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil shampoo. This is what it looks like.
Oh.
And then this is the conditioner. It's the Moisture Miracle Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Repair and Plenish Conditioner. So The only place that I've seen it is Target. I think some beauty supply stores are starting to get it, but not a lot. And then y'all know I always use my shampoo buddy. Mel, stop, girl. I always use the shampoo buddy that I get from Amazon. It's this right here. So this is always my best friend when I'm washing her hair. So y'all, we about to get into this hair.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Alright, y'all, so this is the process. So alright, so like I parted it for how I wanted to do it. I know, that's what I'm doing, girl. Mel picked this hairstyle off of Pinterest. So we're gonna try our best to do this, and then that's the back. So I haven't gotten to the back yet, but I definitely did get that parted. So we're gonna work on that real quick, and we're gonna see how close we can get to that. Because mommy's not a hair beautician. She swears I am, but I'm not. She's trying to show y'all TikTok.
You're not here, ain't a home when you're not here. The room when you're not here, I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fucking on me and I'm the main one fighting? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one fighting? Just trying to be your everything, main one fighting. Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one?
Y'all, when I tell y'all I outdid myself, oh, let me see, mama. Oh, turn around. Turn around, Tutu. Yeah, so cute. Mommy, look, pose, say cheese. Cheese. Yeah, that's what she asked for, but it's cute. I like it. Yes, mamas.
Yes, mamas.
Yes, girl.
Yes, mamas.
Alright, y'all, so that is basically all that I do for her maintenance, pampering, all of that type of stuff. That's usually what I do. I ended off with her hair. So we are done with that. But I will see y'all in the next vlog. Melly, you want to close it out? You want to say bye? Yeah. Come on.
Bye.
Oh. Okay, go ahead.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Mommy, up.